Hello. So we're in St Ives today, beautiful St Ives, and we're just having just a little bit of afternoon tea. We've got a snack here.
Savoury snack.
Savoury snack. So the reason we're here, that we've come to St Ives, it's only down the road from where we live, but the other thing is it's also because today's the launch date really for the St Ives Scarf. So they have been available for pre-order, and yesterday Caroline gave us our first kit for the St Ives, so really excited to see it. It's beautiful. And the 10 people that have ordered those on pre-order, that they're made up and they're on their way out today, so Caroline's sending them out today. So that is the St Ives Scarf for people that don't know. Yeah, the colours are absolutely beautiful that Caroline's made, and this is the kit, Joe. So I'll show you the front. Yeah, and the back.
Let's see what's in it actually.
And there's a little thank you postcard in there. Put that down there. And then these are the different colour yarns. So this is Starling's Wing, and pieces of 8. And this one I know is called Clotted Cream. And then there's Deep Water. And there's Lobster. And there is Shoreline. So there are the different colours there.
Mini skeins.
They're mini skeins. They're 20 grams each. So that weighs 35 grams. So you should get 2 or 3 out of that. But the other thing as well is that even if you just knit one of those, you've got some lovely yarn, then lovely colours to go into your stash. And there's also, Caroline's put a Cornish smuggler's tea in there as well. So and the pattern.
Oh yeah, it's
And
changed.
the pattern. So yeah, it is slightly different from our previous pattern, which was called St Albans Scarf, and there it is. So that is the pattern for the St Ives Scarf. So if you go to Caroline's website, they're probably sold out on there, but then she'll take pre-orders for the next 10, and in a couple of weeks time she'll send those out as well. And it's actually Caroline that knitted this one. So she knitted this from my pattern, and what she said was that she knits every day and she's been knitting for decades, so she's a very experienced knitter, but she doesn't really get involved in too much fair isle. And what she found, because I've been promoting this scarf really as something for people that are new to fair isle, and she said no, it's not for just people that are new to fair isle, it's for people like me. So she's started fair isle projects in the past, and she said that they're still WIPS, and they're sitting there as WIPS. And what's great about this for people that want to learn fair isle, or even experienced knitters that don't really do very much colour work, is that it's a quick pattern. And what she really enjoyed, so I had a conversation with her yesterday about it, what she really enjoyed about the pattern was that she got the big row of fair isle out the way, and she knew that every row it was getting smaller and easier and easier and easier. So there's a lot of, what's the word I'm looking for, Joe?
She actually didn't want to put it down, she said. She was so encouraged. She thought, I can finish this, I can finish this.
Yeah, and she just kept going. And she said that she's now going to go and do an Andrea Mowry fair isle cardigan now, which she never had thought about prior, because she's doing her socks and stuff. So nice, really nice that's what's the word I'm looking for, inspired her to go on and get involved in doing more colour work. What else have we got to talk about, Joey?
Well, we were going to mention a full-on bag.
Oh yes, because you were saying
it matches the colours of her scarf.
Yeah, because I've been using this as the project bag for my latest knit, my Bluebirds, and
It's quite seaside St Ives.
yes. What we'll do is we'll put the link to Full On in the thing, but maybe what we should do, because I use a leather bag as well, and I've got different project bags. We ought to talk about my bags. That would be a really good episode for our vlog. So we'll probably do that as well. Do you want to just show people what it's like here? And over our shoulder we've got the St Ives Cake Gallery as well.
It's going to shimmy up.
And this is where we're sitting in a little pod
Opposite the tape.
opposite the tape, and we're just having some bread and olive oil at the moment.
Rather than cake. We're having
Rather than cake,
savoury
yes, because
today.
we normally have cake. Yesterday we were out with Caroline and we had tea and cake. So that's it for today, is it, Joey?
Just mention what's coming out.
Oh yes, sorry.
Too eager to get on the bread and oil.
Yeah. So the next thing that we're working on with Caroline, and we've got loads of projects in the pipeline now, because it's really exciting for me, because it's the first time ever that I've thought about designing things with yarn to begin with, because I usually work from stash. So I'm now looking at yarns and thinking, what can I do with that? So the next kit that we're working on, it's the first time that this has ever been a kit, is the Bluebird blanket. So you can just about see it there, just finishing the first bird. So that'll be coming out. Well, as soon as I get that finished, and I can then work out the yarn amounts, etc. It will probably be a week or two.
And it'll be available as a kit in those
as a
colours.
kit, which is the Starling's Wing and the Clotted Cream from Caroline's Coastal Colours of Cornwall range. But you can go on Caroline's website, so we'll put the link to the St Ives kit, but you can just go on Caroline's and buy yarn as well. You don't have to buy kits, I think. Well, you can always ask her. Okay, so is that it for today? So it's goodbye from me and goodbye from her. Bye.